I'm Eric Weiss from Omar. This is the floating sediment removal tank. This system is typically used for tempura coated products. The crumbs that float on the cooking oil come out with the product, come out on the conveyor, and there is a discharge chute that allows the oil to fall through and the product to go on to the next conveyor. The crumbs and oil fall straight down from the discharge of the fryer. Crumbs fall straight down. The oil and crumbs fall onto this conveyor, which runs uphill. Oil drains back and the crumbs go out. The oil that goes down in this tank is removed and put back into the filter system with the pump that's located underneath this tank. This whole system is available, which includes the tank, the conveyor, the pump, and a belt support that goes in the discharge end of the fryer conveyor. It does a great job for removing that excess sediment that tends to float around in the oil and cause black specks. It's also a great way to recover oil that drips off the end of the product at the end of the fryer. If you have a lot of oil loss over the discharge end of the fryer, this is a good system. If you have tempura coated products, this system is almost a necessity to operate efficiently. I'm Eric Weiss from Omar. Call us, we can help, 419-426-0610.